Hello guys, welcome back to Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you the complete Dream 11 team prediction of CSK versus DC Dream 11 2021 IPL match number 2. Okay guys, for more teams and for more information, join our Telegram. The link will be given in description. Let's get into the video. Guys, in this video, I am going to cover you CSK versus Dream 11 complete prediction, point number 2 fantasy cricket tips, and point number 3 playing 11, and point number 4 pitch report, and point number 5 Dream 11 team for small league and injury update. So guys, don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you will definitely lose the main information. So watch the entire video, you will get the better information to make a better SL team to get high probability to win a small league. Okay guys, so in this video I am going to remember you foremost and firstly. So most of the letters are shown by bolder letters and also like this colored letters. So these both are the points which are the main in this video, so definitely concentrate on these points. Okay guys, so let us start. Guys, match number 2 details. Match number 2 is playing in between Chennai Super Kings and Delhi Capitals at Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai on 10th April. Okay, so the match is going to be start at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The live streaming will be available on Star Sports Network and as well as Hotstar. Okay guys, so here you can see match number 2 preview. So the match number 2 will be the Chennai Super Kings all-time 3-time championships, and there is no IPL trophies for DC. Okay, the young Delhi team is carried by now Rishabh Pant because of regular captain Shreyas Iyer has injured in recent series India versus England, all you know. So just think how Rishabh is going to take the responsibilities. Okay guys, so let's move into the next point. Here you can see last season is the worst season for Chennai Super Kings. There is a lot of below average season for Chennai Super Kings as now, but they have strengthened the team and experienced lineup for this season, and as well as the captain MS Dhoni leading side again. And here you can see Suresh Raina returned for the CSK as strengthen the more of the team. And here you can see guys, Chennai Super Kings how team is going to be starts. Here you can see the terrific opener Faf du Plessis with going to open with Ruturaj Gaikwad. He is a Ruturaj Gaikwad under 19s, the best opener and having the best season last year IPL. And here you can see middle order experienced Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu will do the middle order duties and followed by Moeen Ali and MS Dhoni himself. Here you can see guys, three are the best all-rounders having Chennai Super Kings: Dwayne Bravo, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran. I am not able to talk, so I can't explain you what the players both three are, because they are the ultimate all-rounders as we all know. Okay, so here is the interesting point guys, Krishnappa Gautam. So the most expensive buy for CSK for this season, but Krishnappa Gautam has to wait for a lineup call because there are lot of best options for CSK as Chennai having Shardul Thakur and Deepak Chahar pace duo having in better terrific form. So Krishnappa Gautam has to wait for his lineup in the playing 11. Okay, so here you can see talking about Delhi Capitals. So Rishabh Pant appointed as new captain. So all we know, so her captain Shreyas Iyer got injured during England versus India series. So that's why Rishabh Pant going to lead the Delhi side. So the interesting matter is how he handled the responsibilities. Okay, so here you can see guys, informed players like Shikhar Dhawan, Ravichandran Ashwin also having DC side only. So and next moving into the another point, like here you can see Shikhar Dhawan is going to open with Prithvi Shah. So Shikhar Dhawan is well in form, and also Prithvi Shah, as we know, Vijay Hazare Trophy in the recent matches. So he is an ultimate red hot performer of the season, and he has a lot of bunch of centuries and half centuries. So definitely concentrate on Prithvi Shaw. He has a better good form recent times. Okay, so guys, here you can see middle order having consistent scorers like Ajinkya Rahane, Steve Smith, as well as followed by stylish star Rishabh Pant. And you can see lower middle order Shimran Hetmeyer and Marcus Stoinis. Both are the well hitters of the ball, as we all know. So here you can see guys injury and availabilities of both teams. So here you can see African pace duo Andre Norch and Kagiso Rabada may not available for the first match. So because of quarantine rules, they are just arrived to the India. So they have to take some quarantine break. So that's why they don't maybe see in playing 11. So here you can see Chris Wokes, the big name from England, also having a chance of playing in first match. So let us see how the going of playing 11 will be. And in the spin duo, there are experienced spin department for DC, Ravichandran Ashwin and Amit Mishra. So here you can see guys, Chennai Super Kings versus Delhi. So these both teams are faced 23 occasions, and in these 23 occasions 15 had won by Chennai and 8 pocketed by Delhi. So 15 and 70% of the matches won by Chennai and 30% of the matches won by Delhi. But last 5 clashes there are some interesting point. Delhi registered 3 victories and Chennai won 2 games. As we all know, last season Chennai having a bad season, so that's why Delhi having in the last season better team, so they have better league in the last season, so they packed 3 victories against Chennai. So here you can see weather report guys. Weather reports, the sun will be clear, there is no chance of rain, so you can prepare your dream 11 teams for 20 overs as well. So here you can see guys, CSK versus DC Vivo IPL 2021 match number 2 pitch report. So match is going to be held at Wankhede, and the ground will be provides help for both batsmen and bowlers both. But here is the main thing, in the second innings due to dew factor, the toss winning team likely to bowl first, as bowling second will be the tough task. Due to like dew factor, so bowlers will definitely struggle to bowl in second. So in by this point we can take the depth point, so we know that chasing will be going to be easy if the dew factor is more. Okay, so in this ground average score will be 176, so we can expect it's a high scoring game. So you have to cover the both middle order, top order in your team, and both as well as more batsmen in your team, so that the high scoring games batsmen will give you more points. Okay guys, so as well as here see record of chasing teams. The record of chasing teams will be 52% having winning percentage at Wankhede. And here you can see injury availability news of Chennai. So here you can see guys, Lingi Ingidi also not available for first game. So as I above said, they have arrived India recently only, so that's why they have to take quarantine break, so he may not be available. So Josh Hazelwood is completely entire season he will not be available due to some personal reasons. Okay, and here you can see guys, regular captain of Delhi Shreyas Iyer will be ruled out of the complete 2021 IPL season. So here you can see Akshar Patel also may not be available for first match due to he has got corona positive, so he has to take quarantine. So guys, here you already said Norja and Kagiso also will be not available. And here you can see both teams of playing 11 will be going to be Chennai Super Kings, MS Dhoni, Faf du Plessis, Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Sam Curran, Ravindra Jadeja, Dwayne Bravo, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar. And you can see bench team also. Take the screenshots, it may helps you. And here you can see Delhi Capitals playing 11, Rishabh Pant, Shikhar Dhawan, Ajinkya Rahane, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith, Shimran Hetmeyer, Marcus Stoinis, Ravindra Ashwin, Ishant Sharma, Amit Mishra, Chris Wokes. And here you can see bench strength of the Delhi team. So take the screenshots of playing 11, it may helps you at the lineups time. So here you can see top picks versus CSK versus DC top picks. Here you can see Faf du Plessis will be a top pick from Chennai team side because he has scored 449 runs at an average of 40. He is a consistent T20 performer as we all know. So definitely pick him in your team. Suresh Raina missed last year IPL due to some personal reasons, but he is an explosive batsman. So definitely he has a good record and good experience in the IPL. He is a Mr. IPL. So concentrate on him. And Sam Curran, as we all know, he is a young all-rounder and top-notchable performer, and we can took Sam Curran very blindly in T20 because he will bowl 20 over with ease, and he will get a, if he will get a chance to bat, he will hit ball over the ground, so he can make you both bat and ball points. So definitely try to concentrate on Sam Curran. And here you can see from Delhi, Shikhar Dhawan. He is a brilliant form in recent times and scored last year IPL season 68 runs at an average of 44.14. So he is a safe pick for your Dream 11 fantasy team. And Rishabh Pant, we all know he is an extraordinary performer in recent times, so definitely concentrate on him. As we know, he is a captain right now, so he can promote himself also if he want. And here you can see guys, Marcus Stoinis is a well-known all-rounder, so concentrate on him also. So pre-toss SL team I will show you. So this will be the not final team, just I have to guide you how to take a SL team before the lineups. So final team will be decided after the lineups only. So if you want final teams, definitely you have to join Accuracy Fantasy Telegram channel. The link will be given in description. So let us see the team of small league for pre-toss. So here I pick MS Dhoni in the wicketkeeper section and Rishabh Pant. In the batting section, I covered 4 batsmen: Raina, Shikhar Dhawan, Faf du Plessis, Prithvi Shaw. And here I covered both all-rounders like Ravindra Jadeja, Marcus Stoinis, and 3 bowlers: Amit Mishra, Dwayne Bravo, D. Chahar. So here is the reason why I only took 3 bowlers from the both teams, because it's a high scoring game, so that's why we have to cover more batsmen and all-rounders. So that will be the better option for this match, because high scoring games batsmen will be the key role and they can give us lot of points from the batting scores. Okay, and here all-rounders are the crucial for us because they can bowl and bat in these conditions. They can give points in both two-dimensional ways. Okay, so Suresh Raina has good average against Delhi, and Faf du Plessis also have a better average, and Ravindra Jadeja also good performer against Delhi, and MS Dhoni also having good record against Delhi. So that's why I pick. So both having wicket taking abilities against this Delhi is superb. So that's why I pick DJ Bravo and D Chahar. So I pick S Dhawan, R Pant, Prithvi Shaw. The reasons are Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, both are tremendous form in these previous recent times, and Rishabh Pant will be the captain and he is an explosive batsman. So that's why I pick in my fantasy team. As we know, Marcus Stoinis is a best all-rounder. He can hit the ball over the park all the way. He can bowl some quota of overs also. And Amit Mishra is an experienced spinner from the Delhi side, so I took him. So this will be the my pre-toss team for this match. So hope you all like my prediction. So definitely support and subscribe the Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel. I will sure that in these recent times and in future there will be a better chance of growing our Accuracy Fantasy YouTube channel and Telegram as well, and accuracyfantasy.com website. So we are providing lot of matches and every matches predictions with 100% accuracy, number of starts and better predictions we are providing. So let us support. So make support, do support. We will provide you the best predictions forever and ever. So thank you for watching guys. Please leave a like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you guys.